Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to change your name on ChatGPT. If you want to update the name associated with the ChatGPT account, it's super easy. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any browser on your device. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Now search here platform.openai.com. It will take you on the page of OpenAI platform page. Now you just have to click on this menu icon and then click on settings. Oh yes, if you are not signed up already, then please make sure that you are logged in on this device with the same account of ChatGPT. Now click on settings. Here you can find your profile. Tap on it. There is an option to change your name. Just type your name and you have to confirm your email address here and your phone number here. Then click on save. It will change your name on ChatGPT. After confirming this, by save here, go to your ChatGPT account by searching chatgpt.com and you can check from there. It's change your name. And that's it. You have successfully changed your name on ChatGPT. Now your new name will be reflected on your profile. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please make sure that you are liked, share and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video.